I can only take this opportunity to wish the International Eisteddfod every possible success in its digital programme this year and in the years to come.
We here at Llangollen, a small town in a valley in North Wales, whose International Eisteddfod each year since 1947 has shared the sound of peace with the children of the world. Now, we share the roar of peace with every nation across the world. Us who have become a we, not I.
We see this project as a way of including diverse groups from all backgrounds in our Eisteddfod.
Good days and the bad days that be among us always.
Everything is unique about Lyme, all that diversity and colors.
It makes the world seem at once just so small, united by our shared passion and by this wonderful festival.
Even though it is a competition, it is so friendly, and it's a gathering of people from all over the world to unite us in music and in harmony.
This is my voice, this is your voice. Let the music never cease.
The International Eisteddfod is but one small example of how local communities can play their part in developing harmonious relationships through the language of music and dance. War will be banished when individuals learn to live creatively with difference and live at peace with themselves. If we can assist in the building of communities of compassion and understanding across the world, then we should be making one small contribution to the building of a more peaceful world.